At the core of Manifest's suite of features is work. Work is an umbrella term used to refer to both jobs and tasks. Manifest enables users to replicate and follow step-by-step procedures using jobs. You can also create and track tasks required to resolve issues such as ordering parts for a repair. Let's take a look as Matt shows how to perform a job with the Manifest iPad app.
So to execute a job in Manifest, first you want to resume the job or start the job. Right here, you can view your work instruction as a two-dimensional. So if you need to view photos or documents or videos, they can be viewed here. Zooming can be done by standard iOS pinch gestures. I could review a video. To plug in your power source, I already have the other end plugged in. And when I'm ready to advance to the next step, I'll select Done. If there were any steps where I wanted to view augmented reality notations on, I can switch to the switch to AR mode here. So if I select that, I'll be prompted to scan a QR code. And now I can view my annotations in the context of the equipment. On the top left, I can show or hide details to view my entire work instruction, or view annotations on the larger screen. Again, when I'm advancing from step 4, I'll select Done to advance to step 5. In the case that I wanted to add evidence, faults, or use Manifest Connect, they can be accessed through the buttons on the right side of the screen.